There are organizations that promote that growth of manufacturers in order to help assist people who want to start manufacturing. This is essential so you can focus on producing quality items that are required by customers. Flexible manufacturing are suitable for startup manufacturing. This is run by robot rather than people, so business owners can adjust to the needs of people. With this automation, you can be able to manufacture things on precise specification in order to improve the product. Today in this video, we are going to share how to start manufacturing business. First of all, decide what you want to do or make by asking questions like, is the product available in your country? Is it an import substitution product? Is the product much superior to those available in your country? Once a product or service is identified, next steps are technology tie-up from experts and independent market study. Research your market and find out which is best suitable product for long-term use. Now we are sharing 10 steps to start a manufacturing business. Number 1, understand your business idea and future growth possibility. Number 2, calculate investment amount required to start a business. Number 3, complete all the legal and necessary permits to make your business official. You also might decide how to wish to structure your business, sole proprietorship, incorporation partnership, limited liability corporation, etc. Number 4, write a sales plan to understand promotional strategies, selling price, and penetrate in multiple markets. Number 5, plan better for logistics. Number 6, write in-depth market research plan. Number 7, decide all legal necessities before setting up your business. Number 8, write marketing strategy for your products and sales after service. Number 9, develop management team and warehouse plan. And number 10, use technology and plan for all your business expenses. You should seriously consider your bookkeeping methods before your grand opening, because you make many purchases and pay many expenses before your grand opening or first day of business. Marketing is one of the main aspects that should be mentioned in your startup business layout. First of all, you should predetermine what you're going to sell and whom you're selecting as your potential market. There should be good market for the commodity you are going to sell. Therefore, if you already decided what you're going to sell, you have to find out whether any potential market availability in your area. Marketing and advertising is key for running a successful business. After all, how could your business succeed if you have no customers or clients? However, advertising can be expensive. Networking with other professionals, social media marketing, video marketing, however, is free. Now is the time to write a business plan for starting your manufacturing business. Write a business plan step by step. Also like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.